I put him in the bathtub. See if he would swim. He tried to eat the bathtub. No, now he's sick in bed with bubbles in his throat. Bubbles, bubbles, pop! Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles.
You told him that this is my alligator.
Mama called the doctor called the nurse called the lady with the alligator purse. Very good. Okay, what are you going to sing? Baa Baa Black Sheep. ABC. My Baloney has a first name. Do you like bologna? Is it your favorite? What else do you like? I love you.
I love you.